Hello and welcome. My name is Coach VA, founder of Cards Pro AI Academy. In this video, I'm any image into a talking video in just 2 seconds using artificial intelligence. Please watch till the end. In this video, I will show you how to turn any image into a talking video in just 2 seconds using artificial intelligence. You do not need a laptop. All you need is your phone. This method is being used for content creation, business promotion, and online income opportunities. Please watch this video carefully till the end because I will explain everything step by step. If this is your first time here, like the video, subscribe to the channel, let's get started.
Hello family, I'm Coach VIP. Today I want to show you an amazing AI app called DupDub. With DupDub, you don't need a camera. You don't need a studio. Just upload your picture, add your text or voice, and boom, your image starts talking like a real human. This app is perfect for content creators, business owners, coaches, YouTubers, and anyone who wants to create professional videos in seconds. You can use it for YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp ads, and even online training. If you want to learn,
you're welcome to Coach VIP Academy. So in today's video, we are learning how to create AI image, turn your image into a talking viral videos. So we are going to be using these two apps, DupDub Lab and ChatGPT. We'll be using this app, DupDub Lab and ChatGPT, to generate the image. We're going to be using DupDub Lab to generate the prompts. We'll be using ChatGPT. So in case you don't have them, go to your Google Play Store and tap on DupDub, search for DupDub Lab and download it. This is the app, so you have to download. Make sure you download the particular one and go to your Google Play Store to search for ChatGPT. If you don't have, download ChatGPT. Let's get started. So you have to download ChatGPT. Make sure you download this particular one. ChatGPT is what we are going to use to generate the prompts for the image to talk. So let's go to the ChatGPT. You click on the ChatGPT. After downloading, there you have to register. After registration, they will take you to a place here. Then you ask ChatGPT what you want him to create for you. You have to ask ChatGPT. So I already have my prompt, but you have to use this one. So you have to ask ChatGPT what you want him to create for you. AI video prompt of Coach VIP explaining about DupDub app, the app that you can use to turn your image into a talking video. So you have to go to the prompt. In the DupDub app, you have only 500 characters to use, so we are not going to be copying everything here. So we are going to copy a little starting from here. You can see, we are going to copy a little here. So more harder. So you have to copy. Now you have finished the site of ChatGPT. After copying the prompt you want to use, then you have to come to this app, DupDub Lab. Make sure you download the app. So before you download the app, so you have to come here to profile. You go to profile. Then when you click on this profile, then you have to sign in your Google. So I've already signed in, so you have to sign in. You have to sign in through Google. You have to sign in through Google. They will have to give you points to use. So let's get started. So you have to click on this plus button. To get started. You have to upload your photo. The photo you want to use, you have to upload it here. So I'll be using that photo. You have to wait, let it load. You can see uploading. Then this is the image. You have to tap next. Here comes the place you're about to use the prompt you copy from ChatGPT. So you have to add sound. Then we are using AI voice cover. You can see AI voice cover. So here is the tool. You have to copy the prompt you copied from ChatGPT. You have to put the prompt here. The prompt you copied from ChatGPT, you have to put the prompt here. Just start typing. So here is the prompt. can say the prompt is too long, so it didn't finish. You have only 500 characters. If you want to use the prompt, make sure it's only 500 characters. You can see. So let's start. You have to click on here the style you want to use. You have to set it. After setting, you have to set style, default, then you have to set speed, depending on how you want it to be. Let me push speech 1. So they have to come here, choose voice cover. You have to choose here. You can see all these things. You have to set all these things. You have to set all these things. You have to set them. All these things you have to set them. You can see, look at them. All these are them. So you have to set the language. I'll be choosing English, depending on the language you want to use. By now, I'll be choosing English. You can see, I'll be choosing American language. I'll be choosing American language. Choose quality. I'll be choosing standard quality. So depending on the sound you want to use, I'll be using me. Tap on age. I'll be using youth. I'm trying to make it fast. Then you have to type what you want. Can use. So now I'll be using. Let me use animation. I'll be using animation. You can use anyone at all. I'll be using animation. Then you tap. No. Here gives you the voice you need.
Today is the day to remind yourself that you possess the power and strength you need to bring contentment, love, and joy into your life. Today is the day to understand yourself and to give yourself.
Tap on generate. And you have to generate. The video is art. You can see. You have to click on here. Make talking. You can see.
Hello family. I'm Coach VIP. Today I want to show you an amazing AI app called DupDub.
You can see. So you have to, after previewing, you have to turn on. After your preview, you have to preview. After previewing with the arrow, then you have to make it. You have to make talking. Make photo talking. This is the final. You can see the video is ready. Let's play the video and see what we got.
Hello family. I'm Coach VIP. Today I want to show you an amazing AI app called DupDub. With DupDub, you don't need a camera. You don't need a studio. Just upload your picture, add your text or voice, and boom, your image starts talking like a real human. This app is perfect for content creators, business owners, coaches, YouTubers, and anyone who wants to create professional videos in seconds. You can use it for YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp ads, and even online training if you want to learn.
You can see the video is well done. So all you need is to save.
Hello family. I'm Coach.
So in the next video, I'll teach you how to remove watermark. You can see the watermark. This is the watermark. How to remove watermark from a video. Stay connected. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.